In this lesson, we will see together les conjonctions de subordination, but more precisely, we will see partout, où. So let's start from the beginning with the question, what is une conjonction de subordination? A conjunction of subordination is a type of conjunction that connects two clauses or sentences in a way that shows a dependent relationship between them. This is really, really important, this concept of dependent relationship between them. So these conjunctions introduce subordinate clauses which cannot stand alone as complete sentences. So this is the second important thing. These clauses cannot stand alone as complete sentences, and they rely on the main clause to make sense. The subordinate clauses typically provide additional information, context, or details to the main clause. So this lesson is about partout, où. The conjunction partout, où can be translated into English as wherever. So we will see some examples with partout, où. Partout où elle va, elle attire l'attention. Partout où elle va, elle attire l'attention. Partout où nous allons en vacances, il pleut. Partout où nous allons en vacances, il pleut. Partout où il y a des fleurs, il y a des abeilles. Partout où il y a des fleurs, il y a des abeilles. Partout où ils passent, ils laissent leurs marques. Partout où ils passent, ils laissent leurs marques.